Welcome to BioStrong. At BioStrong, we help to improve bone density, strength, balance, and lifespan.
We use osteogenic loading as a means to apply enough force through your body to increase your bone density and make your bones stronger.
So my name is Lily Cooper. I've been coming to BioStrong for 3 months now and I'm getting strong. I recently went to my doctor and she was checking my strength because it was quite weak previously, and she couldn't believe how strong I am now. My strength is much better, my bone mass has come up, and I feel wonderful.
Each week throughout the program, you get a report showing your strength improvements.
We use the Biodensity machines, developed by Dr. Jaquish down in California. This technology is used throughout the United States, but we are proud to be one of the only facilities in Canada to offer this.
My name is Jared Terleski. I'm 50 years old and I'm a chiropractor here in Calgary. I started with BioStrong in January of 2022, and so we've been at it for about 5 months now. I'd recommend it to almost anybody. I mean, people who are advanced in age, I don't think they'd have any great difficulty doing the workouts. But I also think the younger people who want to perform in sports probably would do very well with them as well. I've really been able to increase my strength. I've been able to increase my max gains. I've noticed that the level of power that I can initiate is greater. I'm a 50-year-old man with 2 teenage kids. I'm a chiropractor who works full-time, so I don't have a lot of free time. So having a pretty intensive workout in 15 minutes for me is awesome.
At BioStrong, our process starts with a quick warm-up on a vibration plate. After that, you move to the Biodensity machine where you do 4 exercises. The exercises include a chest press, leg press, core pull, and vertical lift, targeting all of the major areas of the body.
My name is Bernie Dunlop. I'm 70 years old and this is my 20th session at BioStrong. I was diagnosed with osteoporosis in December of 2020 and I was devastated by the news. Since I started the program, I've increased in strength. My last reading said I increased by 148%, which for me, since 20 sessions ago, was huge. The fact that it does only take 15 or 20 minutes when you come in here for a workout, well, who doesn't have 15 or 20 minutes? And when I think about 15 or 20 minutes towards my bone health that is making improvements, that gives me the incentive to come. The results of my most recent DEXA scan showed that I had gone from a negative 2.8 to a negative 2.4. Those results took me out of the osteoporosis range into the osteopenia range, and I was elated. They're experts in their field and they're a phenomenal team, and I don't think anybody needs to be intimidated by coming to this place because they are so welcoming and they're really here to help you and to help my health, and I love coming here every week and seeing them.
We offer a free orientation which includes taking you through a full osteogenic loading session so you can decide if osteogenic loading and BioStrong is a fit for you. Call us today to book your free orientation and start your journey towards better health.